Metaxalone is a muscle relaxant used to treat muscle pain or spasm. In this video, let's find found. What is metaxalone? What is metaxalone used for? Contraindication. What are the side effects of taking metaxalone? How does metaxalone work? How to use metaxalone? What is metaxalone? Metaxalone, sold under the brand name Skelaxin, is a muscle relaxant medication used to relax muscles and relieve pain caused by strains, sprains, and other musculoskeletal conditions. Its exact mechanism of action is not known, but it may be due to general central nervous system depression. Metaxalone is a muscle relaxant used to treat muscle pain or spasm. In this video, let's find found. What is metaxalone? What is metaxalone used for? Contraindication. What are the side effects of taking metaxalone? How does metaxalone work? How to use metaxalone? Contraindication. Metaxalone is contraindicated for patients known to have hyperthyroidism, myocardial infarction, the acute recovery phase, arrhythmias, heart failure, heart block or conduction disturbances. 14 days of taking a monoamine oxidase inhibitor, MAOI. Side effects. Metaxalone side effects. Agitation. Back, leg, or stomach pains. Black, tarry stools. Bleeding gums. Chest pain. Clay-colored stools. Confusion. Cough. Pharmacodynamic. Metaxalone is a skeletal muscle relaxant indicated as an adjunct to rest, physical therapy, and other measures for the relief of discomforts associated with acute, painful musculoskeletal conditions. The mode of action of this drug has not been clearly identified, but may be related to its sedative properties. Metaxalone does not directly relax tense skeletal muscles in man. Mechanism of action. The mechanism of action of metaxalone in humans has not been established, but may be due to general central nervous system depression. Half-life. 9.2, plus or minus 4.8 hours. Mechanism of action. The mechanism of action of metaxalone in humans has not been established, but may be due to general central nervous system depression. Half-life. 9.2, plus or minus 4.8 hours. That's all the information about metaxalone we collected. Thanks for listening. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for the HeInfo channel if you like this video to update more health information.